February 8th, 2023. How's it going, guys? Well, what I'm doing, I'm going to put up some blinds. I already put one up, and I'm putting a new other one up here. And what's cool about these blinds, they don't have no cords no more, which is probably good because a lot of kids, I guess, got strangled by those cords because people didn't properly install them. So I'm going to show you guys here something real quick. Let's see. You can see this slat, how this is through here. And these are the clips. And this clip is actually, this curved part's going to, I'll show you. It's going to go right like that. And you can see where I made a couple little marks with that Ever Sharp. And I'm just going to butt that up right to this right here, not the window, but this is right here. And 2 screws to hold that, and 2 over here on this other side. And I'll show you how that clips in, guys. So hold on. Okay, guys, I've got them mounted, and I'll put the blind up there and let you see how it hangs. Hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back. See if this will focus in. Okay. What you have to do, you have to tilt this up a little bit and then push in, and there's a little, I don't know if you can see that now. See that metal clip right there? If it doesn't engage and doesn't click in, you can take your thumb and kind of push down on it a little bit and then push it in, and that will do it. And I'm just putting this down, just pull it down. What's cool about these, you can just lift them back up. See, and they'll just hang where you stop. That's pretty cool. That makes it pretty nice. So hold on, guys. Let me finish her up here.